Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. It's extremely windy today. The moringas aren't really taking it that well because they're full of the seed pods. Really heavy. I mean, take a look at this one. So I was hoping on waiting to see what happens on when I could harvest the seed pods, but I might as well do it now before I lose the trees. This one I wrapped up to the 4-in-1, but this is a nectarine right here, this moringa, where I connected it. And while I was doing it, I'm like, this is getting ridiculous. Just take the seed pods off. And right when I was about to say that, in my mind, it got really windy. And this morning, or late morning, these limbs, well, they're almost doing it now. It was like all the way right here. This limb was down here, and I can't afford breaking these limbs for such a stupid reason of keeping the seed pods on just a little longer. So I don't know how many seed pods there are. I'm going to count, of course, when I'm done cutting them, and I'll give you guys an update on that. Now also, I'm on a step ladder, and you can see right here that maybe I shouldn't be on a step ladder right now. The moringa wanted to flower again. All branch tips have flowers, or trying to open, but they won't. It's getting too cold. It's gonna rain tomorrow and then the next 4 days straight. Alright, so I cut all the seed pods off the moringas, both of them. This one I'm keeping separate. There were 6 of them on this little guy here, or little girl, either one, because it grew a different color. The leaves were a different color, and the branches were a different color than this one. So there were 6 on there, and there were 83 on this one. And here's the largest one of them all. It was 16 inches. 83 on this one, 6 on that one, so almost 90 seed pods. I didn't weigh it, but it feels about 10 pounds. 10 pounds of moringa seed pods. So these are very precious to me as of right now. I do have a plan for them that I'll probably announce later on next year. But they're very precious to me because this seed is the best seed for me. I can't buy anything better than this because its parents, here and here, grew in this location. So this seed, or these seeds, all of them, are acclimated to my microclimate. So it's not like buying moringa seeds from India or wherever in the world through Amazon or through anything and shipping them over here to your house. And when they start growing, it's like, wait a minute, this is not India. I'm not used to this. They stress out or whatever. They may do fine, but they may not. These seeds are going to do a lot better than their parents, which came from India, these two. So we're going to see. Happy gardening, everyone.
Hello, everyone. So, like, share, subscribe. And bye, everyone. I can't remember.